Hey everyone, Eddie Campos here with RE/MAX Preferred Associates, and this is Home Maintenance 101, where we help bring you information to help take care of your home so your home helps take care of you. So today we're going to be talking about insulating your home. Probably not the sexiest thing you can do to your house, not the most beautiful thing you can do to your home. Kitchens, baths, landscaping, these kinds of things definitely add a lot of flair to the look of your house. But insulation doesn't really do that. But like my mom used to say, Eddie, at least you're beautiful on the inside. So thank you, Mom. I'm going to take that as a compliment. So let's figure out what does make your home beautiful on the inside. When you're insulating your home, it keeps your home warm during the winter, cool during the summer, plus it provides energy efficiency, which is savings, so it puts money back in your pocket. So new homes today are held to a much higher standard. So today when you're building a home in an attic, they're looking for approximately 14 to 16 inches of blown insulation, which is an R38 to an R60. For 2x4 walls, they're looking for an R13 to 14, and for 2x6 walls, R19 to 21. This is all based on Energy Star guidelines, which you'll see below. So what we're going to focus on really is insulating your older homes, much like my home is. So you could go through the effort to get in your attic, measure out what the size of your attic is, and try to figure out how much insulation that you're going to need. Doing the sidewalls, you're really going to need to hire a contractor to help you. But the easiest thing you could do to help you is to call Columbia Gas. Columbia Gas actually provides you with an Energy Star audit of your home. So it's fantastic. They provide you with this really nice report. They did it for my home. It was approximately 11 pages and provided me with a lot of great information. So they talked to me about what would make my home more energy efficient. So not just insulation, windows, lighting, appliances, furnace, water tank, all of those things. There were areas that could overall impact the energy efficiency of my home and put more money back in my pocket. So the total audit took approximately 3 hours. It was really pretty painless. I worked from the house that morning, and they came in, they do a test on your doors to see if there's any air infiltration, and it was really simple and easy to get through. But the best part is that at the end, they provide you with this report, and in my case, they provided me the information I was going to need to be able to pay for this to get done. So the overall cost was going to be $3,116.54 to insulate my home. But the best part is Columbia Gas has actually got an incentive where they're going to help you pay for that. And in my case, they were going to contribute $1,145 towards insulating my home. That's a huge savings. And not only that, over the course of a year, it would be a savings of approximately $422 per year. So if you're looking to insulate your home, find out how much you're going to need, I would suggest giving Columbia Gas a call. Their information is located here below, and they can do an energy audit. And one better, that energy audit costs you $50. However, if you call EnerSol Insulation here in Maumee, Ohio, they will give you a $25 coupon towards the cost of that energy audit. So now it's only going to cost you $25. I hope this information was helpful for you today. I hope it helps provide some savings for you in the future. And please tune in next week for more Home Maintenance 101.